Hello everyone, in this video, I will share the problem of one of the subscribers whose point corner does not appear when selected. As an example, the object that I drew doesn't bring up the pointed corner or corner widget. And it should look like this. Basically, by default the app, both of these features are already active. But there are some users who find this feature inactive. Then how to solve it? Go to View, Show Corner Widget. Also activate the bounding box in the same way. Views, Show Bounding Box. Now it's normal as usual. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.